Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am here going to present my API testing for online grocery store BigBasket.com. The objective of my project is design the REST API for grocery shopping platform. And here we require a endpoint and JSON attribute like product. In product we have to add ID and name and category, price, stock quantity, unit is available. And in user we have to add ID, name, email, address, phone number, and registered number. And in third we have to add cart. In cart we have a ID, user ID and product ID, quantity and add-on. And in fourth we have add order. In order, ID, user ID, item, array of product plus quantity, and total amount of order, and what is the order date. In delivery we have added ID, order ID, delivery agent, expected delivery date, stated time. And here we have to go for validate requirement rest assured. First we have to check the status code get post to delete. And stock quantity check prevent cart addition in stock quantity is less than requested quantity. And in third we have to check unit validation. In unit validation confirm only predefined unit are accepted, like liter pieces, how many pieces, how many liters. And fourth, in email format, how user email must watch valid email pattern. In phone number, validate Indian phone number using regex. In total amount accuracy, ensure order total amount equal to sum of item prices into quantities. And delivery date format check. Expected delivery date should we follow YYMMDD. Cart quantity limit prevent adding more than 10 units of any product of the cart. And delivery agent assignment check ensure each order has one and only one delivery agent assigned. And last, stock depletion check. When an order is placed, reduce stock of quantity of each product accordingly. So here I have made it the JSON file. Let me run. So here is my base URL, and we can see in point of my all URL like product, user, cart, order, and delivery. And let me paste the URL. Localhost. Let me open. Here I have added products. In products, I am taken ID equal to 1, name equal to sugar, category equal to grocery, and price 45 rupees, and stock quantity is 50. And unit we have taken kg is available. If it's available, then it's return true. If it's not, then return false. And in users we have take ID equal to 1, name equal to Ankit Misra, email according to yourself like I have taken Ankit at the rate gmail.com. Address according to yourself. Address equal to Delhi. Phone number. Phone number should be Indian. Uh, Registered on means on which date you have registered or you have ordered. And in cart order delivery section, I have added letter. Let me go to the project. First, here I am making API testing Maven project. Then, then in form.xml, I have added all the dependencies for JUnit and Maven project to run my code. Here I have added dependencies like group ID, org.json, artifact JSON, version 20210307 because it is latest version. And group ID here we have using JUnit and version latest version. So all like that. Here is my project says here is my project section. So let's check. First we have make a class BigBasket API, then REST asserted base URL. Here I have paste this URL. Let me paste again like this. And dot get for product only. I have added only project for status code. Then we have go for the runs and 2 out of 2 are run. Next we have done. Now in the second section we have to check stock quantity check. Prevent cart addition if stock quantity is less than required quantity. In this test, I am checking if the product has enough stock before adding it to for the cart. If the request quantity is more than available, it will not allow to the cart. If the stock is enough, it add the cart successfully and it return the status code 21 201. So here we have to go for the code and check if requested quantity int requested quantity equal to 20. Here I have paste my base URL requested quantity equal to 20, and if requested quantity is greater than stock quantity, then it will print system.out.print not enough stock to add the cart, and if not, then it add the quantity and return status code 201. So in this we have to check if the stock quantity is great requested quantity is greater than stock quantity, that it will print not enough stock add to the cart, else it add to the cart and the return status code 201. Now let me add let me run the code. Now we run the code. Yeah, it will run good. The rest 2 out of 2. Now in third we have check unit validation, and this test checks if the product is valid or not. It should be valid only if it is in kg, liter or pieces. If anything else, then the test will be failed. Now let us see the code of unit validation. In unit validation, we get the product 1 and get string in unit and accept that unit any of equal to kg means any of them equal to kgs or equal to liter or pieces, then run the code and status code is true, and if anything other rather than kg liter pieces, then the status code will be false. We will run the code and status run 2 out of 2. Now in next part we have to check for email format validation. In email format validation, the user have entered like zero. Email format validation is like email you put to get user one JSON by path get string email, and in email pattern matching we have to take from A to Z or 0 to 9 and any asterisk and at the rate is the possible. At the rate is compulsory. Now we go for run the code, and like this we have run the code and it is passed because my email format is correct, like Ankit at the rate example.com. Now in next we have to check for next we have to check for phone number formats. In phone numbers formats, validate Indian phone number using regex. So here is the code using regex, like get string phone number and set the phone number match pattern equal to uh, first if it is Indian number and start with 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. If you start with 6, 7 or 8 or 9, then it returns true, otherwise it return false. So let me run the code. I have taken phone number 9 in. So it will start with 9, so its output is written true. Let me run the code. Yeah, 2 out of 2 test case are run. And now let if I change the number to like start with 4, then from here